Hi, welcome to the new video of the Infinite World channel. France is renowned for its food and cuisine, but you don't have to eat out at a Michelin-starred restaurant to taste the country's superb traditional products and dishes. Here, good food and wine are simply considered part of daily life. These are 10 of the best French foods to try when visiting the country, with brief tips on where to taste each one. To get acquainted with these foods, join the Infinite World channel. Number 1. Croque, monsieur. Although it seems like nothing more than a simple sandwich, the buttery, cheesy taste of a croque monsieur is deliciously unique. Chefs stack ham, Gruyere cheese, and mustard between two thick pieces of buttered toast. The addition of an egg on top transforms the dish into a croque madame. Number 2. Bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse is a seafood dish with roots in Marseille, a seaside city in the south of France. It combines clams, lobster, and various types of fish stewed in broth with potatoes, leeks, onions, and spices, all served atop a toasted slice of a baguette. Number 3. Cassoulet. A Toulousain dish, cassoulet is a slow-cooked casserole made with various types of meat, usually duck, goose, and pork sausage, along with beans, carrots, onions, and breadcrumbs and seasoned to taste. The meal is cooked to a golden brown crisp and traditionally served in a pot called a cassoulet. Number 4. Profiteroles. A tiny but tasty French dessert, profiteroles are puff pastries split in half, filled with vanilla ice cream, and drizzled with chocolate sauce. Number 5. Pain au chocolat. Yes, pain au chocolat, which literally translates to chocolate bread, may simply be an upgraded croissant. But the melted block of chocolate baked into the center of the flaky, buttery puff pastry makes all the difference. Number 6. Quiche Lorraine. Hailing from the region of Lorraine as the name would suggest, a quiche Lorraine is one of the most popular quiche recipes. It's a pastry crust filled with eggs, milk or cream, onions, Swiss cheese, and bacon. Number 7. Ratatouille. Though people may be familiar with the beloved Disney film, the dish after which the film is named is also worth getting to know. A healthy Mediterranean stew, ratatouille is prepared with chopped vegetables like tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, zucchini, and eggplant, cooked with olive oil, and topped with melted cheese. Number 8. Escargot. Anticipated and feared alike by tourists, escargot is one of the most iconic French dishes. An upscale hors d'oeuvre, chefs remove snails from their shells, cook them with garlic and butter, and return the meat to each shell, before serving them with butter and sauce. Number 9. Tarte tatin. Created by Hotel Tatin, a hotel in the town of La Motte-Beuvrin in Central Loire Valley region of France, the tarte tatin is a simple pastry made with apples, butter, sugar, and pie crust. The key to the dish lies in the apples, which are caramelized in butter until golden brown. Number 10. Baguettes. Food doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. Inexpensive and delightful, the crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, 2-foot-long loaves of bread are baked and available fresh in bakeries around the country.